This is the operation of the milling knife and the vibrating knife together. First, select All Drawings, then click on the No Dot for Vibration Knife. If you want to cut the lower left corner of the drawing and then cut it again, you need to set up another vibrating knife. In the tool interface, select SP7 vibrating knife. Click on Works, then click on 20. Click the arrow on the screen to move the machine head, and then click to turn the vibrating knife head towards you. Use a tool to press the knife holder down. Click Adjust the knife depth by 5 mm, and lower the knife to a position where there is still 10 mm in the air. When it is less than 10 mm, lift the knife up and adjust it to 1 mm. It is now 10 mm. You can raise it a little, but not too much. At this time, the value of Z is 152. Click the value of SP7 becomes 152 of the value of Z. If you only want to mill the lower left corner of the drawing, select All first. Then click Merge and OK. Click the right mouse button and a closed shape will be displayed. Click on the No 7 vibration knife and select the line. Click the icon Offset In and set the cutting radius to 1.5. Select the Keep Original. Set the offset times to 1, uncheck the auto link, and then click OK. Click the right mouse button, and you can see 2 lines of SP7 in the lower left corner of the drawing. Select all the lines inside, then click 5, Change to Milling Knife, to cut. The lines will become to colors. Select the blue line again and click Offset In. Enter 80 for the offset times, click Auto Link, and then click OK. The area is the number of times the milling knife mills. Just count the number of blue lines yourself. Click on the white line of the cutter, click on Sorting, and then click on First. Click View, then click Show Sequence. The numbers 1 and 2 indicate the first and second cuts. If you want to make 2 products, click Air Copy and enter 2 in the row number. These numbers represent the cutter steps. Select all drawings, click Optimize, then click Merge Linked, and finally click Del Overlap. You can't click Optimize here. If you click the Optimize, the knife will cut randomly. Just click Send. The screen displays data received successfully. Click on Work, then click to 0. Click 2. See if the line is within the material. After setting up, the machine starts cutting.